my friend Ben Greenfield, we all use these, and I use it all the time. You can see, I have it sitting literally on my desk, and because I will use it, just even a couple times during the day, I'll just pop it on. That's how easy it is, and you can see I'm doing that now. Let me just show people the device. Okay, there's the device, and I'll re-show it after you start explaining it. We kind of tapped in. You're the science behind it, and I want to tell that story. How did you discover this? Why did you discover this? And then we'll kind of jump into some of the details of the benefits and everything, because obviously, this is key for recovery, healing, and that's why a lot of athletes use it, and that's why a lot of my doctors use it in their offices for people who have challenged conditions. So, and we'll talk about why it works. But how did you get into this? How did you discover this technology, and why?